Hey there friends, this is the Replicator Plus, and I have mentioned before that I am not able to get it to print without a raft, which bothers me, but lately it's been even worse. I have not been able to get it to print because it keeps saying I had filament slipping errors. I solved my issue by going to Settings and then choosing Notifications. And all I did was set filament error detection to off, and my printer has been printing like a dream today. Now I'm sure our friends at Makerbot would love to have us keep that filament sensor on, but let me tell you, when you've got it running and it's telling you that your filament is always slipping and you're losing prints, not a bad thing to try. Once again, filament error detection off. Hope that helps you with the Replicator Plus and you get cool results like the ones I have been all day as well. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.